I'm pleased to have everybody here for the 5th Wyke and Lynn Orr Lecture. It has become very rapidly our probably most successful and most important speaking event. We're very pleased today to have Mr. Bernard Nussbaum, Bernie Nussbaum, senior partner with the very prestigious law firm of Wachter, Lipton, Rosen and Katz in New York City. He's former counsel to President Bill Clinton, and he's one of the ABA's 7 lions of the trial bar.
I am honored to follow those other, quote, lions of the bar who have given this lecture. Jim Neal, the dean mentioned, Bobby Lee Cook, Fred Bartlett, Jim Brosnahan, all very distinguished lawyers. But I must tell you that compared to them, I feel like a young lion. They're older than me. I feel perhaps even a cub. But I'm not really that young. And late in my career, I've begun to appreciate a simple thing. It's not a specific case, nor a particular institution or client. It is true that some of the things I've been fortunate to do have been quite exciting. It's hard to describe the feeling of walking into the West Wing of the White House as White House counsel to work with the president on various issues. There's a similar rush of energy every time you walk into a courtroom after a lot of pre-trial preparation, a lot of hard work prior to trial, ready to fight for your client when his life, his career, or the life of his company is on the line. And of course, it's hard to capture in a few words the experience of working for a committee of the House of Representatives considering the impeachment of the President of the United States.
Mr. Nussbaum's had a career that many of us in law school aspire to. It's been very long, been very successful, and so to come and hear his motivations, his reflections on that career is just a fantastic opportunity.
But more than any one of these experiences, one of the things I now appreciate in my advanced years is the blessing of perspective. It comes with age. I've seen the highs and lows of our legal system, and I continue to marvel at its importance and its value. Well, I'm here to tell you that from my perspective, you cannot be entering a more noble field, and your work as new lawyers will be more important than ever to preserve the strengths of our legal system, to be the champion of those rich and poor, white and black, who need the protection of the law. The legal profession today is more open, more vibrant than it's ever been. There are all sorts of opportunities to do good and to do well. So in many ways, you are quite fortunate to soon be entering the world of law.
Well, I was really interested to hear the speaker's perspective about working in the White House with Bill Clinton, so that was exciting to hear.
Parts of the lecture that stuck with me were when he discussed the main principles that he's tried to carry with him: working hard, not taking yourself too seriously.
But it was really enjoyable, and I'm glad that I stepped out the library to come here.